Allow me to take you through the key features of the emergency IR blanket. Firstly, the emergency IR blanket is made out of nylon, which is polyamide. The blanket is also elliptic in shape. It has a drawstring mechanism with a reflective tape for night visibility. Now, on the scene of an accident, it is ideal that this cover should cover only the top part of the body while waiting for the forensics for the actual body bag. Once you've taken out the cover, make sure the cover is a little bit adjusted so that it can take up the contours of the body on the scene. Once you have completely covered the body, now no part of the body should then be exposed in the scene of an accident, then leaving this scene dignified.